So we are in chapter factorization, chapter number 15. Chapter 15. If we are writing a number 12 or 6, so 6 can be represented as 2 into 3 and 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. So what we'll say that 12 has been factorized to 2 into 2 and 2 into 3. 6 has been factorized to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So factorization is actually process of representing a given expression in terms of product of its factors. Like if somewhere it is written a square b, so it can be written as a into b. So it has been factorized to a into b. Similarly, if somewhere written a square b plus ab square, so we have to check how it can be represented. So it can be written as a into b. It can be represented as a into b. And while doing factorization, we'll see what is common among this factor, this and this. So a is here, b is here, b is here. Next a is not here. So what we'll take? We'll take a and b as common. So it will be a and b taken common. So what is left? A. And a and b is taken, what is left? B. So what we will say? Hence we will say a square b plus ab square is equal to ab into a plus b. So it has been factorized to ab into a plus b. Some more examples we are going to see from book. That is example number, question number exercise 39. Exercise 13a. Question number 6. It says 15x4 into y cube minus 20x3y. So at first we will find out common numeral between them. So 15 and 20 both are divisible by 5. So we'll take 5 as common. So 5 3 is 15. It will be 3x4 y cube. 5 will cancel 24 times. This 4x cube y. Now our duty is to find out variables as common between them. So between x4 and x3, what is common? x3 is common. So we'll take x3 as common. So from here 3 is copied. From x4 x3 is taken. So x is left. Then y cube. 4 is copied. x3 is taken out, so nothing is left. So it is 1 into y, so it will be y. Now next step, your duty is to find out common y and yq and y, what is common? Y is common, so we'll take out y as common. So it will be 3x, and out of y3, if y is taken, so y square is left. And from here 4 is copied and y is taken out, so nothing is 1 left. So it can be factorized to 5x cube y into 3xy square minus 4. This will be your answer. One more question we'll see from your book. That is example number a little bit bigger. We will see example number question number 11. Exercise 13a, question number 11. It says x square into a minus b minus y square into a minus b plus z square into a minus b. What we are finding? A minus b, and a minus b is common for all three parts of the question. This one is common. So we'll take a minus b as common. So if a minus b is taken as common, so from here what is left? A minus b minus. From here what is, a minus b is taken common, so what is left? X square. From here a minus b is taken common, so what is left? Y square. And from here a minus b is taken common, so z square. So this will be your answer part. So in this expression of question number 17, this 6x a square plus b square plus 8yz a square plus b square, 10x minus 10x a square plus b square. So what we are finding? a square plus b square is common, a square plus b square is common, a square plus b square is common. So we'll take a square plus b square as common factor. So what is left? 6x. From here a square plus b square is taken common. So what is left? 8yz. And from here a square plus b square is taken common. So it will be 10xz. Now try to search anything common between this and this. What you will find? X is here, but x is absent. Y is here, absent. Y is absent. Z is here, Z is here. So then further factorization is not possible. So it will be your answer. Now we'll learn factorization by grouping. Factorization by grouping. So example I am taking from exercise 13b, and it is question number 1. It says a square plus ax plus ab plus bx. So what we'll do, this one will make as a group, this one will consider as a group. So between these two, what is common? We'll find that a is here, a is here. So we'll take a as common. So a will be left. From here a is taken common, so x will be left. You will find that b is common, b is common. So here b will be taken common. So what will be left? A. And from here b is taken common. So what is left? X. So a plus x is here, a plus x is here. So we'll take a plus x as common. So from here a plus x is taken common. So a is left. And from here a plus x is taken common. This one will be your answer. Now we are in question number 6. xy minus ay minus ax plus a square plus bx minus a. So between these two and between these two we'll take one. So between xy and ay, y is common. So y is common, so x is left. Here y is common, so a is left. Here between these two a is common, so x is left, a is taken common. So minus plus is minus a. And here between these two b is common. So it will be x, and from here b is taken. Now what you are finding? Here x minus a, here x minus a, here x minus a. So next step we will take x minus a as common. So what is left? Y. Here x minus a is taken common. So what is left? A. From here x minus a is taken common. So what is left? B. And this will be your answer.